Hey guys, this is our Instigator OTF from No Limit. This is a premium OTF knife. It's got high quality D2 steel. The No Limit logo right there. This blade's about 3¼ inches, and this knife is pretty lightweight, 3½ ounces. This one's got the satin silver blade. You can also option a drop point, and for both of those styles, you can get a black blade instead of the satin. I think the satin blade is one of the best parts about this knife. It looks really sharp. And you've got the pocket clip and glass breaker on the back. You can get one of these at uppercuttactical.com.